Good view there of the two large three-bladed rotors the Osprey has, which rotate in opposite directions to produce lift. Because they turn in opposite directions, there's no need for a tail rotor to provide stability as in a normal helicopter. The wing tilts the rotor between airplane and helicopter modes and generates lift in the aeroplane mode. The Osprey can convert from helicopter to aeroplane in as few as 12 seconds. So touching down there after a couple of pedal turns. And now there we go, nacelles to 60 degrees for a rolling takeoff. The bike has been quite extensively in combat by the US Marine Force in September 2007, when BMM-263 deployed a number of Ospreys to Iraq. They were used a lot in that theatre, including on one occasion to transport the US President Barack Obama. The MV-22 made its first deployment to Afghanistan in November 2009. A month later came the type's inaugural combat mission, when Marines and troops were inserted by Ospreys into a hostile zone in Helmand province. Other Osprey deployments have seen the type undertaking earthquake relief in Haiti during 2010, and as part of Operation Odyssey Dawn in Libya last year, when US Marine Corps MV-22s carried out the rescue of a downed USAF F-15E Strike Eagle crewman. The fuselage and subsystems, avionics and fly-by-wire flight controls are made by Boeing. Boeing's partner, Bell Helicopter Textron, is responsible for the wing, the transmissions, the empennage, the rotor systems and the engine installation.